sir, are you from Pavgada? Sir, like, are you from Pavgada? Like, there's this village called after Tumkur. Are you from there? Like, okay, then. Sir, we are early.
See, all of you know heights and distance.
Kind of, yeah. You just have to brush up because I know.
Sir, we're using tan and all that.
Tan 45 is equals to
Angle of elevation, angle of depression.
Yes, sir. Yes.
angle of elevation. I can do depression. I can't.
Yeah, it's just you do. It's like
Sir, I made a mistake.
Yeah,
Starting.
it's alternating in
Combination.
this depression. You can make it alternate interior and
Easy one. See, including properties of triangle, sides and distance. Like heights and distance and the properties of triangles.
okay.
Yes.
When
Sunday.
I can't.
Sunday.
Sir,
Nice practice.
Yes, yes.
what? I was asking. I'm not writing anything. I'm not
They
J.
won't write any that.
I'm not J. Bro, but it's not. Sir was 12 board level math. So,
Simply, right?
Yeah,
sir, if I fail, I will get
When
screwed.
you are coming,
It's
why
not.
you-
Sir, I tell you, sir, I tell you one thing. I can do here because I have a lot of time. Like, I can do. You can do next question. It's not like that, no, sir. It's like you need to solve questions quickly. So I mess it up there only.
that's why you need to practice in that.
Oh
God.
maths, yeah. Okay. So today math.
I got 20 or
math was two.
no, please.
I don't think I did math.
No, I got it wrong. I attempted everything.
Don't discuss. Hey, don't discuss height, right?
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Think so.
Good evening, Ashmi. Yesterday absent. Why?
Sir, I wasn't well, sir.
Ah,
Sir, I wasn't well, that's why. So, and sir, I joined physics class at the start.
ah.
Then the power got cut, so I couldn't join back
Okay.
time. So that's why I joined today.
Hmm.
I'll start coming to class from next week, sir.
Hmm.
Right now, I'm not preferring to come.
Hmm.
I'll come from Monday onwards.
Okay. Okay. Yesterday, how many problems done? 8, huh? Oh, okay. Easy only. Properties of triangles. Hmm. 30 questions. 30. 30 or 25. Ascribed circle. Right. Ascribed circle of a triangle and their radii. Huh? Question? Hmm. Delta by RR. Yes. Sin 2a. Sin 2a is equal to sin A, right? Here. Sin A is equal to A by 2R. Sin B is equal to B by 2R. Sin C is equal to C by 2R. Do. And this one, and this is last one. After that, regular polygon, very important. Right. 3 circles. Three circles. Tell. Enough. See, right. Ascribed circle. In a circle which touches, right, all of you, right? In a circle which touches the side BC and two sides AB and AC. Side BC and two sides. Don't talk. Listen. In circle which touches the side BC and two sides AB and AC produced of a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is called ascribed circle opposite to the angle A. Ascribed circle opposite to the angle A. Clearly, Amra. Okay, just simply. Then next point. In radius is denoted by R1, small r1, and similar small r1. Similarly, you can write R2 and R3 denote the radii of ascribed circle opposite to the angle B and C respectively. Ascribed circle opposite to the angle B and C respectively. the center of the ascribed circle, the center of the ascribed circle are called excenter. The center of the ascribed circle are called excenter. 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 The center of the ascribed circle. The center of the ascribed circle opposite to the angle A. Opposite to the angle A is the point of intersection of the angle, point of intersection of external bisectors of angles. The point of intersection of external bisectors of angle A. The point of intersection of the external bisectors of angles B and C. B and C. The internal bisector of an angle external bisectors of angles B and C. The internal bisectors of an angle A and also passes through same point. The center is next. The center is generally denoted by I1. Center is generally denoted by I1.
Could you represent it on the diagram?
क्या next week, after next week, means date this month only. This month, last week I will start.
So what will you start
Now
last
only
week?
I will discuss sir. Last week I will start.
The 12th standard syllabus.
So what are you talking about?
January. How complete 4 months before? How? At least September complete. October, November, December. 3 months revision. 3 months full completed. I1, I2, I3, R1, R1, R1. This distance. A, B, C. Huh? R2,
The radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay?
huh?
The radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay?
Hmm.
So then AD bisects angle BAC.
BAC.
Okay, sir.
One circle enough, not 3 circles. One circle enough. Just listen. Okay. Straight lines, coordinate geometry not complete. Straight lines, competitive. Already KV students completed. That time I will explain clearly. Ortho center, circumcenter, excenter. Finish already.
So can we say that I3A and I2 would form a straight line?
This one already complete. Himanshu, straight lines,
Yes, sir,
coordinate
sir.
geometry.
I know that, but would I3A and I2 form a straight line?
I3,
A and I2.
I didn't get it.
So can we join the points I3, A and I2 with a straight line?
I2,
A and I3.
A and I3.
Yeah.
Here. Yes, yes.
So we can, so these 3 points are collinear.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next, right? Orthocenter, circumcenter, centroid, all complete coordinate geometry. Straight lines? Hmm. No, no, no. No. Binomial theorem only first year. Not there. Which? No, only first year. 12th is not there. First year only. Some portions 3D probability. Same. Then next
Permutation and combination.
trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric functions. That is inverse. Sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, like that. Limits continuity and differentiability. Differentiation is separate. Limits continuity differentiability, then differentiation is separate. One chapter. That is one chapter. Interrelated to limits and continuity. Right. Radii of x circles. In any triangle ABC, in any triangle, x circles. This is that. X circle or ascribed circle, both are same. Yes. Yes, right. In any triangle ABC, x radii are given by in any triangle ABC. R1 is first one, right? R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. R1 is equal to delta by S minus A, delta by S minus C, delta by S minus C. Next, second one, right? Second one, R1 is equal to S into tan A by 2. R2 is equal to S into tan B by 2. R3 is equal to S into tan C by 2. R1 is equal to S into tan A by 2, S into tan B by 2, S into tan C by 2. Okay. The next, third one. R1 is equal to A into cos B by 2, cos C by 2 upon cos A by 2. R2 is equal to B into cos C by 2 cos A by 2 upon cos B by 2. Then R3 is equal to C into cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Okay. Next. Huh? Right. Next, fourth one. R1 is equal to 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. R2 is equal to 4R sin B by 2 cos C by 2 cos A by 2. Then R3 is equal to 4R sin C by 2 cos A by 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2. Hmm. Me that time A triple E. I think A triple A triple E. A triple E. Not A triple M set. 2000 year. JE. No. 2000. Wait. 2008. No. M set means K set. I think Karnataka. No, I am not writing. At times I am studying in government school. 2001 complete intermediate. I am joining 2012. Then next problems. Okay, done. That time schools very less. 2000 year.
Now you'll find schools everywhere.
Huh?
Now you'll find schools and schools and schools. But in this area, only 4 or 5 schools are there.
Yes, this area. Same 3 subjects only. Maths, physics, chemistry. Now also MSET is there in AP. In triangle ABC, the value of A cot A plus B cot B plus C cot C is equal to 2 into R minus R B 2 R C 2 into R plus R D 2r by r.
So what is option D?
Option
D is, it's not visible.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Cot A is given, no? Cot B, cot C, reciprocal, reciprocal.
So is the answer C?
Yes, correct, Himanshu. Cos A by sin A, cos B by sin B, cos C by sin C. Then after that, A by 2. Sin A is equal to sin A. Sin. 2R. 2R is equal to A by R is equal to A by 2 sin A. Correct? A is equal to 2R sin A. Correct? Then sin A is equal to A by 2R. Correct? Now here substituting here. A cos A upon sin A plus B cos B upon sin B plus C cos C upon sin C. Now here A upon 2R. A upon 2R sin A. Sin A is equal to
So you can directly substitute A as 2R sin A. You will get the same thing easily.
Okay. Here
2R cos A.
2R cos A. Correct. Plus 2R cos B plus 2R cos C. 2R common. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C. Then after that, cos A formula apply. Cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square A by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
1 minus 2 sine square A by 2 plus 1 minus 2 sine square B by 2 plus 1 minus 2 sine square C by 2. Okay. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 minus of 3 minus of 2 sine square A by 2 plus 2 sine square B by 2 plus 2 sine square C by 2. Okay. Then after that, here 2 common, sine square A by 2, sine square B by 2, sine square C by 2. Two into R plus Himanshu,
Yes, sir.
2 into R plus R.
Yeah, 2 into R plus R. So that's what I got at least.
Okay. Here sine A by 2 formula. Sine square A by 2, sine square B by 2, sine square C by 2. Cos, what is the formula? Sine A by 2. Cos B minus, what is the formula?
Which formula are you talking about?
Sine A by 2.
Two sine theta by cos theta by 2. That one.
Sine A by 2. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. See here, cos B plus cos C, transformation formula apply here.
2 cos B plus C by 2 cos B minus
2
C by 2.
cos B plus C by 2 cos B minus C by 2. Okay. 2R into 1 minus 2 sine square A by 2. 1 minus 2 sine square a by 2 plus hmm, hmm. No. Same no. Himanshu, here cos b plus cos c.
Yes, sir, what?
Here apply transformation formula. 2 cos b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2.
So I did it with a different method.
Different method.
Yeah.
Tell.
Sir, I assume the triangle to be a right equilateral triangle.
Oh, equilateral triangle. Ah, okay.
Yeah, that means it.
Okay. Equilateral triangle using. Ye- three sides are equal. Angle 60. Himanshu,
Yes, sir. Angle is 60, so cot 60 is 1 by root 3.
cos 60.
Cot A is equal to cot B is equal to cot C, and A is equal to B is equal to C.
60. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60. Cos 60. Cos 60.
So then you will. So then you will get the sum. You'll get the sum of this expression to be 3. I mean, you'll get it as root 3s.
Root 3 yes. Okay.
Okay, you'll get the expression as root 3s. Then
Hmm.
now you know that the angle is 60 degree, right?
Okay.
So you can find the length of the altitude using s sine 60.
Length of the altitudes. S sine 60.
S sine 60.
Ah.
And we know that since it's the orthocenter, hence the ratio would be 2:1.
Hmm.
So we would get the value of r. So using this, we can find the value of r.
Okay.
We find the value of r and capital R. So after doing that, you will get a value, and if you add it, you will get
Hmm.
s root 3.
S root 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
So LHS is equal to RHS, hence C is the correct option.
That is lengthy process.
Sir, it's not lengthy if you do it. Like, it's not lengthy at all, sir.
But this process also we can do, no? Here 2 cos b by 2, cos b plus c by 2 here can be written as cos b plus c by 2. A plus b plus c is equal to 180. Here b plus c by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus a by 2.
We can
Okay,
write
then
it as sine A by 2.
sine yes, sine a
Yeah.
by 2. Cos 90 minus a by 2, then sine a by 2. Here sine a by 2, right? 2r 1 minus 2 sine square a by 2 plus 2 sine a by 2 cos b minus c by 2. Okay. Then both sides sine a by 2 get common. Two r into 1 minus sine a by 2 common. Then here 2 sine a by 2, 2 sine a by 2, 2 sine a by 2 common. Okay. Here sine a by 2 plus cos b minus c by 2. Okay. Then sine a by 2 formula. What is the formula sine a by 2? Here cos a is equal to 1 minus. Hi, both sides. both sides 2 sine square a by 2, 2 sine a by 2, sine a by 2 common, 2 into both sides.
So won't it be minus cos b minus c by 2?
Huh?
So you have taken minus 2 sine square a by 2 common, right? So it should be minus cos b minus c by 2 and not plus cos b minus c by 2. Yes, sir, over there.
Here plus, here minus, no?
No, sir. If you have taken minus, then it would be minus. If you have taken plus, then it would be.
Here minus.
Yes, sir.
Here positive.
Negative, no, sir. Because minus and minus would give positive.
Here negative. Huh?
Yes, sir. Negative.
How? Minus common here. Here minus common. Here minus. Then after that here sine a by 2. Cos b minus c by 2. What is that? Huh? Himanshu? Here sin a by 2 minus cos b minus c by 2.
There is no
Cos
formula
b
for
plus
it,
c
right?
by 2, right? Simple. Here.
Oh, okay. Fine. Sir.
Cos b plus c by 2. Huh? How? 2 sin a by 2 cos b plus c by 2 minus cos b minus c by 2. Okay. Okay. Then after that, apply. Cos b plus c by 2 minus cos b minus c by 2. Huh? What is that? Himanshu?
So
Sin here?
minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2.
Yes. Minus, right?
Yes, sir.
2r into 1 plus 2 sine a by 2. Here 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2. Correct. Here 4. Multiply here 2r into 1 plus 4 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2. Okay. 4 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2. What is the formula? 4.
Sine a plus sine b plus sine c.
R is equal to 4r. Listen. R is equal to 4r sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2. Okay. Now
So you
here,
didn't give this formula last class.
here r by r. This step here I am writing 2r into 1 plus r by r, right? Now here 2r into capital R plus r upon r, then cancel, r get cancelled, then 2 into r plus r. Okay. No doubt. Sin a by 2, here sin a by 2 cos b plus c by 2, right? Right. Complete. Which one? Huh? You didn't write? No, no, no. Before in center in circle. In radius open. In radius. Huh? In radius. Oh, fourth one right. Fourth formula. Fourth one right. In radius, fourth formula, R is equal to 4R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. In radius, R is equal to 4R sin A by 2, sin B. Okay. Then my mistake. Four. Four formulas. Okay. Here S minus C minus 1. Ah. Okay, right. First right. No topic. New topic. A regular polygon. S circle or ascribed circle. Hmm. Okay, right. Slowly writing and a passenger. You're like become a passenger.
Sir, option B is correct, right?
Huh?
Option B.
Yeah, correct. Correct, Imanshu.
So this time I did it with proper method. I didn't use that equilateral triangle.
Proper method tell.
Sir, easy only, no, sir. So you just take the LCM and then
Yes,
you just
take LCM. Then we will get answer.
yes.
Hmm.
You just need to multiply with S and S.
Yes. Oh, this concept, so many problems is there. Slowly, fast, right. Hmm. Over? Okay. One, two regular polygon and heights and distance. Two concepts left. Then tomorrow finish. Already you know heights and distance. Angle of depression, angle of elevation. Okay. Hmm?
So next question.
Wait, Himanshu. I will give. Do. Direct. Take calcium. ABC is a 4 delta, right? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Delta by? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Delta is equal to R by S. Small r, small r. Next problem, note down. Area of triangle ABC, right? Area of triangle ABC is 96 square units. Area of triangle ABC is 96 square units. And radius of ascribed circles. And radius of ascribed circles are 8, comma 12, comma 24 respectively. 96. Then okay. Then perimeter of triangle ABC. Then perimeter of triangle ABC is 48, 36, 96, 30. Done. Nice, nice. Here delta is given. Answer is Himanshu, Prajwal.
Sir, I got the 3 equations. I'm just solving
I
it.
haven't done it, sir. Just a minute. I'm
Mhm.
doing
Ashme.
Yeah, sir, even I'm solving it.
Ah, tell.
it. 48, sir. Is it correct? 48.
Ah, yes, correct, Himanshu. (48). S minus A is equal to delta by R1. S minus B is equal to delta by R2. S minus S minus C is equal to delta by R3. Now here R1, R2, R3 is given. R1 is equal to 8. R2 is equal to 12. R3 is equal to 24. Now here delta is equal to 96, right? Delta 96. 96 by R1. S minus A is equal to 96 by 96 by 8. Then S minus B is equal to 96 by 12. S minus C is equal to 96 by 24. Then adding 3. Here adding x minus a plus s minus b plus s minus c is equal to delta by r1 plus delta by r2 plus delta by r3. Then here 3s minus of a plus b plus c is equal to 96 by 8 plus 96 by 12 plus 96 by 24. Okay. Then 3s minus of a plus b plus c. 2s. 3s minus 2s, right? Answer 48. Hmm.
So what I did was I first found the sides A, B, and C, and then I added.
Himanshu, tell.
I first found the measurement of the side A, B, and C, and then I found the perimeter.
Hmm. Done? All of you done? Next problem. Next. In triangle ABC, question fourth. In triangle ABC, if B is equal to 2, C is equal to root 3, angle A is equal to pi by 6, then R is equal to, capital R is equal to, option A, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 minus 1, D. C is angle. Here A is angle. No. See triangle here. Okay. Angle A. Angle A is equal to 30. Okay. Yeah, na? Small a is equal to R. Big R. See cos A, what is the formula cos A? Correct. Correct, Rupam. Himanshu,
Yes, sir.
tell answer.
Doing it. Sir.
Hmm. This chapter revise formulas. Then tomorrow first concepts complete. Polygon and heights and distance. After that solving problems. Tomorrow finish. Oh, questions already 4, 5.
So is it one?
Yes, correct. Why? Oh, apply here. 2 square 4 plus 3 minus a square upon 2 into 2 into root 3, then cos 30. 30 root 3 by 2 is equal to then 7 minus a square upon 4 root 3, then cross multiply, then we will get a. After that r is equal to a upon 2 sin a, then answer is over, no? Hmm, hmm. Then next. Okay. Important problem. In triangle, in a triangle ABC, if R1 is greater than, R2 is greater than R3, then correct. Okay, done.
Done, sir.
Okay, Mansh. Prajwal.
Just a second. Done. This is done.
Hmm. Inequality change. Hmm. Minus A less than minus B less than minus C. Cancel. How? Everything has S. Do it fast. Hmm. 3:7:8. Why 3A, 7B, 8C? Okay. Hmm. 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 Let it first do. Let us
7/2.
Hmm?
7/2.
Yes, correct. Suresh, tell.
So capital R is equal to ABC by 4 delta and small r is equal to delta by S.
Yes, correct.
Then by using this, we just
Correct,
divide both
correct.
the equations and we'll get the answer.
Hmm. Yes. Hmm? Oh. This one here, the ratio is given, no? Now 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay. Now here a is equal to 3k, b is equal to 7k, then c is equal to 8k take. Okay. Then here substituting. Which one? Wrong. Wrong. Huh. 2s is equal to 3k plus 7k plus 8k. Okay. Then after that 9? 9k. S is equal to 9k. Then here R is equal to ABC by 4 delta. Then small r is equal to delta by S. Ratio find. R by small r is equal to ABC upon 4 delta into S by delta. Okay, here S into ABC upon 4 delta square. Then here substituting values. Here mistake before. K. Then all are correct. Process is correct. Hmm. Here substituting S value, ABC, here also write delta square. S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, done. Oh, seventh one. Enough, no? Ananya, 7 problems is enough. Okay, done. Himanshu,
Sir, I'm not getting it.
not getting. Three, four. Ashmi left. Himanshu, Prajwal, Anirudh. Not cross multiply. Cross multiply, no. Then print not coming answer. S minus. Shall I explain?
Sir, are we supposed to use component or dividend there?
Here, not component dividend, Himanshu. See, right hand side, S minus B upon S minus. Huh? Wrong. See, here A minus B upon B minus C. Himanshu is given, no? Now here, S minus B minus of S minus A, right? Numerator. Then denominator also S minus C minus S minus B. S minus C minus S minus B is equal to S minus B upon S minus C. Understood? Himanshu?
Yes, sir.
Then after that here S minus B is equal to delta by R2. Delta by R2. Here delta by R1. Okay. Then here delta by R3. Here delta by R2. Delta by R2 minus delta by R1 upon delta by R3 minus delta by R2 is equal to S minus B upon S minus C. Here also write delta by R2 upon delta by R3. Okay. Then take LCM. Tell Kim. Okay. R3.
So they are in AP.
Yes, correct, Himanshu. Here see mistake, I think. Check it. Last before step, before or third step. Hello. Already time is over, no? Then tomorrow continue. Okay. Okay, Ananya. Okay, Manshu.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Prajwal. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Anirudh. Then tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay.
Even this year, luckily, NT, WP, because Saturdays, Saturdays, chemistry part two, what the chemistry part two, then what are the structures? No, E equals to C, gamma equals C, or and then go with then. No, I don't understand why we both PP and keep this conflict get part into four. But that's a time for not going to my mom checks my phone, so I'm thinking that yeah, so they think I play PUBG. Where is that? I know they don't understand, but it's coming back soon. You install that Pokemon game. You think so?
We also see that coming from. No, I don't confuse. Asmi is here. Okay, open once. Huh? Where are you going? This year you no need leaving and all, okay? Your parents, if they come also, I don't allow. This year so many responsibilities are there. Stop. Ammo, last year what you did, that's enough. Shock. 65 above expected, you know. I told to sir also same thing. But after when I saw Ulta 65, you made a 56. Recording, sir. Okay, sir.